Hi everyone, welcome Azure Databricks sessions. So today we are starting with the Azure Databricks. So what is Azure Databricks and how it will work? Why Azure Databricks so popular for machine learning, AI, and in within the data engineers and data scientists? So why it's very useful? So basically, Azure Databricks is an analytics platform built on the Apache Spark and hosted by the Microsoft Azure. It's designed to big data and machine learning workloads. So if you're working on the big data, like the if you're working with the Jupyter, Colab, and the PyCharm, so they are not able to handle the big data. Okay, you have a millions of rows or billions of rows, so you can easily use Azure Databricks, and with the Apache PySpark is there, so you can use that and you can easily work on your data. So is offering the collaborative environment for data engineers, data scientists, and business analysts to work together. So basically, Azure Databricks is mainly data engineering. Like we can do the ETL part, extract, transform, and load data, and is very easy and powerful because the Apache's PySpark we are using here, and support a real-time data streaming and processing. So I have one data lake in my Azure, and I can easily get access with the this Azure Databricks because everything is connected. And data science machine learning, it's provide the unified platform to develop, train, and deploy machine learning models and integrate the ML flow for managing a machine learning lifestyle. So, which languages the Azure Databricks support? Azure Databricks support many languages like Python, Scala, SQL, R, Python. So, any language PySpark, also SQL. SQL is the basically it's not too much you can use in the other tool, but SQL you can use in the Azure Databricks. That is very easily you can access and you can get the data. So I register first of all on the Azure Databricks, the community version. I'm not going for the official one. I'm going for the free version for the community. So I install it, and basically this is the community version. I will share on the description how you need to this. Simply you have to go community.azure databricks and you need to register, and then you will get this access like this, and the email will become on your Gmail for how it works. So get starting, so you need to start and log in, and simply this page will become. So, first of all, the Databricks is like this. If you see the real-time environment, it also looks like this, the view of Azure Databricks. So, first of all, we need to create some clusters. So, cluster are the backbone of Azure Databricks and providing the computational resources required to execute task. So basically a cluster is a Databricks is a set of virtual machines used as Spark jobs. It's include one or multiple worker. So first of all, I'm going in a compute, and I will be create a new compute here, and I will create a new cluster like my cluster or something you can create like anything, my clusters. Okay, so is automatically using a database runtime is Spark 2.2, 2.12, and Spark 3.3.2. So I'm creating simply. So yes, I created, and is showing that it's take a little bit time to create your cluster, and then you have to go in a workspace. I'm going in a workspace. I'm going in my workspace, and the users, my email id, and the in the email id I'm creating a new notebook. Okay, so I'm creating a new notebook, and let's suppose I will create I will import some data here. Let's suppose, first of all, I'm installing one library, py dataset. Okay, so you can see here this is coming Python. So I want to, if I want to change into the SQL, Scala or R, I can use it. Okay, and simply you have to run it. So that, and I'm selecting my cluster. Okay, so my cluster is okay. Now you can see here my cluster is running, and we are executing this command. Okay, so is Python is selected from the here. Now next is my command should be I need to import this library from py dataset. So simply what we are doing in the Python, same we are doing here. We are importing library, we creating we are executing our queries. So it's very easy to use the Azure Databricks. It's like a Jupyter, you can say, but it's more powerful and more features are there. So like we imported the py dataset from data, then I'm writing here data. Okay, let's see what is inside of the data. So now you can see here we have the information what is inside of data. So we can use this data and we can create some machine learning model or some data analytics using this. So this is how the Azure Databricks is work. What is a cluster, and is a basic introduction of the cluster and basic introduction of the Azure Databricks. Thank you guys.